gonna go ahead and let this cook and reduce itself. But meantime, I gotta check on this rice over here. Okay, so the first step we're gonna do is we're using round steak chuck, okay? Well, grilled steak chuck. So yeah, we're gonna cut this up in strips and we're gonna add it to the rest of the meat that I have. Okay, guys. So our first step we're gonna do is we got to preheat our skillet. Now, we have some chopped onions and green peppers, okay? So, that's the first step you want to have. I have some garlic. Many don't add the garlic cloves. They like to add the garlic powder. Well, your girl is going with the clove. Or, you know, follow me on this. First video since being back, you guys. So, yeah. We're going to go ahead and we're going to put this in here. And I know some of y'all want to, you know, how am I doing? I'm doing just fine, you guys. I just felt like doing a video. Because I miss you guys and I appreciate all you guys that showed the love. So we're going to go ahead and get this on in here. Because we want to put a little softness on it. And I'm just going to add that much garlic, okay? You know I'm not good at measurements, you guys. Just follow the steps. Yeah. So we're going to go ahead and saute that on up. More. So yeah, we're gonna saute that on up. But meantime, we got our meat all chopped up, and I'm gonna reach past because the girl did not pull out all her seasoning. Like I said, seasoning has to be your choice. I cannot tell you what seasoning. This is a special blend seasoning that I always use. So, yeah, this is my kitchen cabinet seasoning. And so, yeah, you girls got to put that on in here. And we're going to get that on mixed in there. Okay? Now we have some flour we have set aside that I put in a little bowl, and I'm gonna put this flour over this steak that I cut into strips, and we're just gonna make sure it's lightly coated enough, because the purpose of doing this is you want to make sure that you have it coated, because this is what's gonna make your gravy, you guys. It's gonna make your gravy. And believe me, the way I'm doing this, you guys, you would swear you went to the Chinese restaurant and got this meal. And that is a good thing, okay? You also want some Worcestershire sauce because that definitely enhances the flavor. I just put a little on there. Now when cooking this meat, you definitely don't need to have it cooking very long at all. Why? Because it's gonna go. It's gonna make its own gravy, and then it's gonna cook some more anyway. So now we're gonna put our meat in here. Don't worry about it clunky, because it's going to break up anyway. We just need to get it to its browning stage. And we have some biscuits over here we're going to also add for our dinner as well. So yeah. Let me get that out the way. Okay, we're going to turn this over. Because we don't want to burn up the meat. We just want to get it brown with that flour in it. If you're a first time looking, I hope this video is enough for you to like, comment, and share. And also come and join the fam. I will really appreciate it. And yeah, leave a comment below so your girl can know where to go. So we're going to go ahead and let that keep browning, you guys. But meantime, we have some rice on. And we're going to get ready to put some biscuits on in this oven. Okay, so we're going to add up some Worcestershire. We're going to put that on up in here now. That will definitely help with our gravy. And like I say, it will enhance the flavor. Well, I can use this. And when you're cutting up your meat, you can use thin strips. You can cut it medium strips. It's all in yours. You see that gravy is forming, you guys? So now our next step is, I'm going to take this butter out because I actually set this butter in here because I'm going to use some butter. Okay? And we're going to go in here and we're going to dunk these. Get all of our little garlic and all of that goodness in there. So we're going to, oh, you guys, you need smell-o-vision on this one. Yes. And this is actually homemade, nothing packaged other than the meat. Okay? And trust me, you follow these steps. Now, a lot of people use the beef broth, but I'm using water. Why? Because that water is going to do its thing as well. And we're going to go ahead. We're going to stir that on in there. Just like so. I said serve. Like so. Okay? And we're going to go ahead and let this cook and reduce itself. But meantime, I gotta check on this rice over here. I'm gonna stir this. It's not ready. You guys look at this gravy. It's just bubbling along. And that's all the steps you really have to take. You guys, let me put this glove on. Just make sure it don't stick. But look at that homemade gravy. You guys, as you see, nothing was bought. This is good brown gravy. Now this is what you call Southern style pepper steak. Yes. And we're gonna let this continue to do its thing. So guys, there is that pepper steak. Let me zoom you in. Look at that pepper steak, you guys. Homemade pepper steak. Follow those simple steps and you can have easy pepper steak at home. I hope you enjoyed this video enough to like, comment, and share. You guys, look at this gravy. Add you some parsley in there, which I did. I just did it off camera. But yeah, you have some delicious pepper steak, which I'm going to put over some rice. You guys, as you see, it's doing this thing over here. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. So sending much love from my house to yours. A special thanks goes out to everyone that reached out to me. I appreciate your kind thoughts and you guys sending prayer and your condolence. I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Sending much love to your and your families. See you on the next video. Bye.